What's up, my lovely love bug goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel and to my kitchen. You have asked for it. I'm here to deliver. How to make watermelon juice in your kitchen fast, easy, and simple. And of course, it's health benefit and why we should eat more of this, right? Now, if you are here watching me doing this recipe for your very first time, be sure that you have subscribed, goodie. If you have not already subscribed, feel free to do so. Then turn on your post notification settings so you'll always be reminded whenever your girl uploads a brand new video. I'm ready to get started. I'm ready to tell you the benefits of eating watermelon. So yeah, let's get right into it.
You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari, why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days when him feed you. You know when no obligation but you owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him what you forget. Turn your back and
Now, goodie, let's get right into this watermelon. We know that watermelon hydrates and contains nutrients that is beneficial. It's a plant compound that may help prevent cancer, improve heart health, lower inflammation and stress, may also prevent muscular degeneration, relieve muscle soreness, and so much more. We need to start eating and drinking and intaking as much watermelon as possible as we can, right? Now, June plum is a great source of vitamin C and K filled with protein, and it's also known to lower blood pressure, improving respiratory ailments, contain high levels of antibiotic, among other things, right? So June plum is so good, y'all. We need to start eating up this June plum thing. Now, lemon for your body is beneficial. It hydrates, it has vitamin C, helps with weight loss, improves skin color, digestion problem, freshness of breath, and helps prevent kidney stones. Yes, y'all, kidney stones. This thing is massive and it can kill most cancer cells before it even forms. So we need to include lemon. Now, ginger health is good. It helps with pain, inflammation, cold and flu, nausea, blood flow, blood pressure, and all them things. The sugar level, cholesterol, prevent ovarian cancer. Study has shown that it has prevent ovarian cancer, reduces mental pain, and all them things there, and so much more. So now let's get right into this. Is good. Now, goodie, to have these healthy drink, your blender is going to be your best friend. Always make sure you have a blender or a juicer in your house, right? Simple. Now, the only thing I did right here was went ahead and cut up my watermelon, and my watermelon that I'm using is organic. If you don't have organic, I guess that's fine, but this is organic, fresh enough for me. Girl, pick it herself. I went ahead and added my ginger. I'm gonna never peel off the skin of the ginger because in that ginger contains a whole lot of nutrient that I need, and I did not peel off the skin off of my June plum neither because I need all of them extra boost of everything to cleanse your girl body, right? Then after I put in all of that stuff, I went in and added about 3 cups of water. But based on how much you put in your blender might be bigger than mine, but you're gonna go ahead and add some water just to loosen it up so it have room to spin and mix up and everything. Now, when you blend it, right, you want to make sure say you blend it onto this nice and smooth and creamy, like extra smooth and extra creamy, because you want to get all of the stuff out of the good up things. I mean, you want to get all of that thing out of that thing real good. Now, my technique of juicing my juice, like straining my juice, I always use 2 strainer. My big strainer at top and my little strainer down at the bottom, right? That's all right. So whatever that strainer didn't catch, it will go into the second strainer and it will catch everything. So because we don't want all the trash in the juice. The funny thing about me when I'm drinking my juices like these, I don't like to have all that little back top left in my glass and all of that. So I like when my juice is juiced smooth. And you can use some cheesecloth if you want, but I don't want to use that. I'm just going to strain it with my strainer. My second strainer is right there. I'm going to go ahead and smooth that out as well. And make sure you have clean and good. Clean and we are saying a clean kitchen. I make with clean, good up, healthy juice, clean fingers, goodie, okay? Now, after I do that, right, I always strain it a third time. I always do my juices a third time. Anytime I do juice like that, 3 times at least. 3 times. I always strain it. After I do that second thing, I do that right there, so I strain me, I strain it right there, so I catch everything, and that right there is my juice right there. All done. 3 straining and your girl good to go. I did make a large batch because I have something like going at the backyard right now, and your girl is making a whole batch. Now after I do that, then I know that then went in and add my lemon, and based on how much you are making, you might need more lemon, right? But me, I'm gonna use two to three lemon right here. Go ahead, and I made slices, and I'm going to throw that into my juice container. See me, I make a big batch. That's a massive batch of people who's waiting in my backyard, y'all. I have a big thing going in the box, so your girl, I turn up the juice today. Now this particular juice, after you put it in your lele tete, you want to make sure say, you know, it's sweetened to your taste. It's up to you to know. If you're diabetic, you want to stop. This is where you stop. If you're diabetic, you do not add any sweetener to it, not even honey. Just drink it like this, because that watermelon is already mega sweet, right? So you just leave it the way it is. But I wanted a little bit of sweetener in mine, so I did add sugar. I added brown sugar to mine, okay? But you could just drink it just like that if you don't want the sweetener. If you could, you know, you can even add honey if you want. Honey, brown sugar, white granulated sugar, but you don't want to put anything that's dark in it. It's going to change the color, and then you're going to have ugly looking watermelon juice. However, I did go ahead and I put it in my refrigerator, and I let it stay there and chill and cool, because this thing is better served cool. Now the best tasting you could have is when you let it sit overnight. Good, I'm telling you, the thing is going to be massive the next day, 24 hours. Now if you're still here watching me doing all this thing, make sure that you have in fact subscribed and turn on the post notification setting, right? I always have some good recipes here. Your girl is always coming up with something new and something different and something out of the box. But at the end of the day, if you give it a try, it's going to be turned in your kitchen, from my kitchen to yours. While you're doing that, go over there and subscribe to my second channel, Live as Juliana. I do inspiration videos. Whatever comes to mind, your girl will do it over there, and all my vegan recipes will be over there. No vegan recipes here anymore. Go over there and subscribe to that channel for all your vegan recipe, and the link for that channel will be down in the description box, so go ahead and subscribe, right? Easy. Now there you have your watermelon juice all ready and set to go. Yeah, hear me? All ready and set to go. This watermelon juice is amazing. It's no joke. Watermelon, June plum, lemon, and ginger is where it's at. With all the nutrients from these fruits, goodie, your body will be settled and your skin color will look different within a couple of weeks. Your face, little pimples, all that stuff will be gone. You're gonna see how your body react when you start drinking healthier stuff. And in between that, you're drinking your water and you're staying hydrated to have that pretty clean skin, right? This recipe is simple and fast and easy to make. You can always switch it up with whatever you want to switch it up with. If you do try the recipe and you switch it around, let me know down below what you switched up with. I am happy to do something new. But yes, it's a healthy way of life, okay? Let's go and get this on the road, okay? All right, goodie. Give the recipe a thumbs up. Let me know what you like to have me cooking next in my kitchen. And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen. Enjoy! I'm gonna let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, a time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.